Hey guys, so I just finished my workout with my beautiful braids. I'm gonna wear braids for a couple weeks because I've been itching for these braids for like years. So I finally got them. So the hair that I use is our feminine curly. It was 1B hair and I dyed it red so it can match my beautiful braids. I love this style. Normally I get twists, but I was like, let me just get braids. And it was a good decision. I love it. But this is probably the last time you're going to see me in braids. I'm going to get twists moving forward. I'm going to get this same style and twist. Because, ooh, it's going to be cute. Love them. And I left my edges out, baby, because y'all know my edges have grown back since my hair loss pregnancy journey. And this is what y'all need to do. Leave your edges out. When you're getting your hair done, pay attention to what the stylists are doing. Let them know to leave your edges out, because these edges right here that I've taken my time to grow back will come out if they are braided in. So, and you can't even tell. So order my hair growth products online now.